Alright, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video. It's about 8:30 on a Saturday morning at the minute, and I'm just heading down the A5. I'm going to the Ponderosa cafe. Just go check it out, never been there before. It's a couple of hours ride away. Yeah, the reason I'm going to Ponderosa cafe today is a bit of a kit test really. So I've got some other trips coming up. I'm going to head into Europe on the tunnel or the boat, I haven't decided yet, in the next couple of weeks or so. And I've got a new helmet, I've got the top box, I've got the tank bag, got my sat nav. So yeah, it's just kind of a kit test really, to see what's what. Yeah, just to make sure I don't have any issues when I'm not in England. And I've already noticed the first thing in this new helmet is that, so the helmet I'm wearing at the minute is an Icon Variant Pro, and it's super loud with wind noise. My previous helmet was just an Icon Variant, not the Pro. And that wasn't anywhere near as loud as this. I mean, you sort of expect them to be a little bit loud because of the shape of them, and you got the peak and all the rest of it. But yeah, I'm either going to have to get some earplugs, or I'm just trying to figure out where all this noise is coming from. I think it's on this helmet. There's like cutouts in the side that are like styling. I think it's just for the styling, it doesn't really do anything. But what it does do is catch all the wind, and it's mega loud. Anyway, I'm going to crack on, and I'll speak to you in a bit. I got as far as Shrewsbury, and it started to rain. I haven't brought any waterproofs with me. There wasn't forecast rain. But the skies are not looking too good, so hopefully I don't get absolutely drenched before I get there, but we shall see. And that's the good thing about this old GoPro 4 as well. This is why I'm still using it, because I see people using the new GoPro, the GoPro 11, and they can't ride in the rain, because this media mod that you have to put on to you know, enable the microphone or whatever, you know, whatever it's for. It allows water into the camera through the microphone, so you have to put your GoPro away when it's raining. I just prefer just to leave it on. The only thing that I miss about this particular GoPro, the old GoPro Hero 4, is that it doesn't have image stabilization. So if I'm not sort of conscious of like where my head's moving, and the videos can be a little bit all over the place. That's the only thing, but other than that, it's really reliable. It's got good battery life, the image quality is still great, and you can use it in the wet. Happy days. Not sure what to do here, whether to push on or maybe pull over and see if it passes. I don't know. I am getting a bit wet here now, and I've only got a t-shirt on under this jacket. But the sky over there don't look too bad, and that looks to be the way that we're going, so hopefully I'll be able to ride through it. Alright, well, it stopped raining, looking good. Back to blue skies again. Apart from the helmet being mega loud, like I said, the rest of the kit seems to be doing alright. The phone hasn't flew out of the cradle there at speed, so that's all good. Got this little tank bag thing, that's all good. Got the new EV Trekker top box, and it's a pretty windy day today, and the top box hasn't been throwing me about at all. It's been absolutely fine, so looking good. The only thing I really feel like I need to sort out somehow is this helmet. It's mega loud. But you know, I can get earplugs or maybe a balaclava or something. Might sort it, I don't know, we'll see. Or maybe I'll just, when I go on these trips, maybe I'll just wear my old Icon variant and not the new one. I'm not sure yet, but we'll see. But yeah, everything's looking good. So I'm going to crack on and hopefully make it to Ponderosa in time for breakfast. Well, that's a nice place to visit anyway. That's pretty good. Good food, good views. Got speaking to a bunch of people there about different bikes and different things. That's good. I should go back there again. Oh, these views. Lovely jubbly. What's this called? The Horseshoe Pass. I'm going to pull in here, maybe take another little photo and put the camera away, and then I'll be on my way. But if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll speak to you in the next one.